This guide explains why your WhatsApp microphone is not working and provides practical solutions for Android and iPhone users to restore normal audio functions. Part 1. Why is my microphone not working in WhatsApp? WhatsApp microphone issues can be caused by restricted permissions, temporary app or system glitches, Bluetooth interference, blocked or damaged microphones, or outdated software. Part 2. How to fix WhatsApp microphone not working. If you cannot record voice messages or others cannot hear you during WhatsApp calls, try the following fixes. Start with the basic settings checks first, then move to more advanced troubleshooting methods. 2.1. Check microphone permission. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, WhatsApp, tap Permissions, select Microphone, and choose Allow while using the app. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to tap WhatsApp, and turn on the microphone option. 2.2. Restart WhatsApp and phone. To restart WhatsApp, Android, open the Recent Apps screen, swipe WhatsApp away, and reopen the app. iPhone, open the app switcher, swipe up on WhatsApp to close it, and launch the app again. If the issue remains, restart your phone. Android, press and hold the power button, then select Restart. iPhone, press and hold the side button and volume button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. 2.3. Test microphone. To test your microphone, open the built-in voice recorder app or voice memos on iPhone. Record a short audio clip and play the recording. If the recording has no sound, the microphone may have a hardware problem. If the microphone works normally in other apps, continue with the WhatsApp-related fixes below. 2.4. Close other apps using microphone. Other apps using your microphone in the background may prevent WhatsApp from accessing it. Close background apps, disconnect Bluetooth devices, then reopen WhatsApp and test calls or voice messages. If WhatsApp works afterward, another app or connected device may have been interfering with microphone access. 2.5. Update WhatsApp. On Android, open Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, then tap Update if available. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, find WhatsApp in the update list, then tap Update. 2.6. Clear WhatsApp cache. Android only. iPhone does not provide a direct option to clear WhatsApp cache. If you are using an iPhone, you can try updating WhatsApp, restarting your device, or reinstalling the app instead. Clear WhatsApp cache on Android. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, select WhatsApp, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Note: do not tap Clear Data unless you have backed up your WhatsApp chats, as this may remove WhatsApp data stored on your device and require you to set up the app again. 2.7. Check system settings. On Android, open Settings, go to Privacy. Make sure microphone access is enabled. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, select Microphone. Make sure WhatsApp is enabled. 2.8. Reinstall WhatsApp. If none of the above methods solve the problem, reinstalling WhatsApp can help fix corrupted app files or unexpected software issues. Before uninstalling WhatsApp, make sure your chats are backed up to avoid losing important messages and media files. On Android, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Open the Google Play Store, download and install WhatsApp again. Restore your backup. On iPhone, delete WhatsApp from your device. Open App Store, reinstall WhatsApp, then restore your backup.